Hey guys, so good morning sa ating lahat. So for today's vlog is andito tayo ngayon sa Bell Church which is located dito sa La Trinidad, Benguet guys. So and bago ang lahat guys, so yun isi-share ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung brief history ni Bell Church. So sabi dito guys is the Bell Church is a Taoist temple of the Chinese Filipino Indigenous Religious Organization of the same name in La Trinidad, Benguet, Philippines. The Bell Church was founded on August 4, 1960 in Benguet, when the area was still part of Mountain Province by Chinese immigrants from Canton, China, which is now the Guangzhou, led by Ing Ping. In 1954, he first preached in a dining hall of a restaurant but eventually transferred the place of worship to his residence along the Kilometer 6 mark in La Trinidad. Due to increasing number of devotees, then known as the Chinese Buddhist Temple, the temple's membership is also composed of primarily ethnic Chinese farmers. Membership continued to grow, that the temple had to move again to its present site along the Kilometer 3 mark in the 1960s and has since then became known as the Bell Church. With support from the local Chinese community, the house in the current site was converted to a temple. So, yun guys, bago siya naging dito sa mga binanggit mo guys is isa siyang Taoist temple which is now the Bell Church. So yun guys, isi-share ko rin sa inyo no kung ano ang meron dito sa Bell Church and itutur ko kayo guys. And yun guys, bago ang lahat, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. So yun guys, let's go. Ayan guys, so tara akyatin pa natin. And yun guys, masasabi ko is bukod sa maganda yung area and the gardens nila is malinis din. Ayan guys, grabe ang ganda oh. Andito na tayo. Grabe. Ngayon ko lang to, promise guys. Ngayon ko lang to, ito yung nung andun ako kanina sa baba, ito yung isa rin sa napansin ko, itong malaking bell na para siyang gold. Ayan. Grabe ang laki guys. Sayang hindi ako kasi ano ng language ng Chinese eh. Ayan guys, kayo ba guys? Baka translate nyo to sa akin guys. Ayan, so paki-comment na lang guys. Baka naman kung ano ang ibig sabihin yan. Ay dito tayo sa side. Ayan. Ayan. Grabe guys, oh. Ang ganda, ang ganda. So, hello guys. Ayan. Feeling ko tanghalian na. And yun guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo na sa mga views na mga scenic na views no dito sa Bell Church. And yun guys, grabe ang init pero kakayanin. Yun guys, so yun guys, abangan nyo na lang tong next na vlog natin, which is Sky Ranch. So yun guys, thank you sa mga supporters natin dyan. And by the way guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. So ayun guys, see you next, and thank you guys.